Alright, so this video we're going to talk about one of my most hated phrases that I really just cannot stand when people say this. It really just makes me want to physically destroy just I don't even know. It makes me very mad, and I'll tell you why. Okay, well, first of all, it's this whole phrase add value or just add value or and this the context for those of you who don't know is people will have a blog or an article or they'll make a post on Facebook or something, and they're always giving advice the way I built my company, the way I made $1 million, the way I did this, the way I did that, I just added value. You have to figure out where you can add value, right? Find out what the market wants and give it to them by adding value. It's thank you for that completely useless statement that gives no specific instruction on what you really did. Because let's face it, when it comes down to it, this is really just a lazy person's way of covering up what they really did and not giving away the actual advice that would be stated in specific terms, because they either don't want to give away their secret sauce because they think that will actually do something, or because they are just lazy and stupid. Sorry, not sorry, but yeah, and they're just bad with verbal communication. Now, not to take anything away from these people that might have built successful businesses and are maybe a nice funnel and they're way more successful than me, and what right do I have to criticize them? Well, here's the deal. When you say just add value, what does that really mean? Let's say, all right, so a good example is people will say to promote the One Funnel Away challenge in Facebook groups, right? And when you ask somebody specifically what they did, they'll say, oh, I just went into Facebook groups and I added value to these groups and everybody bought the One Funnel Away challenge under my affiliate link. Why? Because I added value. And we'll just leave it at that, as if that helped somebody. Oh, you added value? Oh my God, wow. Thank you so much. That was so helpful, that bit of information. But what did they really do, right? They went into the group, all right, and they either answered specific questions for people, they made a post that displayed their expertise, they probably changed their Facebook profile to reflect the fact that they know a lot and are already successful when it comes to helping people generate money online. Maybe they have their own course that they gave away for free in exchange for getting people to sign up for the challenge under their affiliate link, right? They did all of this stuff that they're just glossing over by saying add value. All right, so anytime you hear this phrase, because I feel a lot of the time people are unaware that this phrase is literal cancer and gives absolutely it's essentially really just people saying it to make themselves feel good about themselves, right? Oh, I added value, I'm rich now, I can't wait till I have tens of thousands of dollars just in sales, and I'll throw it in people's faces ha ha ha, I added value, you didn't add value. Yeah, okay, that's my little revenge fantasy. Okay, so anyway, when somebody says add value, they're claiming success and they added value, right? Maybe they'll play ball, okay? Ask them, be okay, you added value, but specifically, what did you do and what did you say and where did you say it and who did you say it to? Because I really want to copy what you did and emulate what you did. Tell me specifically what you said, So if I say, and I really hope I never say this, I generally catch myself every time I do, but anytime I say it or somebody else says it, what adding value really means is you're solving somebody's problem in a way that the solution that you provide seems more valuable to them than the money that they would have otherwise saved, right? So if I believe without a shadow of a doubt, 100%, that if I give somebody $500, that act of giving me $500 or giving them $500 will in turn lead to me generating $10,000. And I believe this without a shadow of a doubt. I believe it 100%, 1,000%. I will give that person $500. Right? I will do it. And if I don't have $500, I'll find a way to get $500 because I believe without a shadow of a doubt that they have the solution to my problem. Right? This is a specific problem of not having $10,000. Okay. if I believe that, right? Now, I could say that this person added value and that's why I gave him my $500. But again, he demonstrated that he had a solution to my problem, and I, for whatever reason, believed it. Now, again, we'll get into the copywriting later in the course, but when you keep this in mind, that this is what adding value means. Like, identify what the problems are that your potential course purchaser has, solve those problems for them, or claim to be able to solve those problems for them, claim that the solution to those problems is contained within your course material, within the bonuses that you're offering, within like a consulting call that you'll do with them, within a Facebook group that you will open for everybody who buys your course, like whatever it is. Claim, that the solution to these problem or likely problems are in there, okay? And once you're able to do that, like the money will flow, all right? So just add value.